Welcome to the Sugar Freedom Kitchen. It's time to learn how to cook a beef rib roast. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about recipes for a sugar-free, ketogenic, or carnivore lifestyle.
When I was shopping for our family Thanksgiving meal, I found this rib roast for just $6.99 a pound. The usual price is $14.99, so this $70 roast was only $33. I bought it, took it home, and put it in the freezer. A few days before I was ready to roast it, I put it in the refrigerator to thaw. One of the most important tips I have for getting a delicious, evenly cooked roast is to allow it some time, usually 30 to 45 minutes, to sit on the counter and return to room temperature before putting it in the oven. Here are the ingredients and directions. 1 beef rib roast, this one is just about 5 pounds. 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Place the roast in a roasting pan and pat it with paper towels. Salt and pepper the roast and sprinkle with the garlic and onion powders. With a butter knife, spread the butter over the top and sides of the roast. Put the beef in the oven and roast at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees and roast until the thermometer inserted into the center of the roast reads 150 degrees for medium rare. About 20 minutes per pound of total roasting time, so another 90 minutes after I turned the temperature down. Place the beef on a cutting board and allow to rest for 15 minutes before carving. For a simple, delicious ketogenic meal, I like to serve this dish with roasted broccoli and egg and cheese quiche cups. My sugar-free diet program is available at sugarfreedom.com.
Thanks for watching the Sugar Freedom channel, and always remember, eat for yourself.